First, take out of all items from the package. Package includes instruction manual, straps, baby car mirror, bracket. Now show how to install mirror display. Thread the strap through the hole in the bracket, soft side facing forward. Take out the another strap. Pass the strap vertically through the hole in the bracket. The bracket can rotate 360 degrees flexibly. After adjusting the angle, tighten the screws. Align the square of the bracket with the slot of the mirror display and slide it in. If you need to remove the bracket, press the raised square on the back of the mirror to remove it. This raised block will protect the mirror from falling. Place the mirror display in the appropriate position on the seat and glue the straps together. Pass the vertical part through the seat and glue it in place. When the protective film of the mirror display is scratched or dirty, you can tear it off. The angle of the mirror display can be flexibly adjusted. After adjusting the angle, tighten the screws.